Hello, and welcome to Waste Pro's SRQ MRF in Sarasota, Florida. My name is Frank Casagrande, Director of Recycling Operations, and we will show you the operations of this material recovery facility from the single stream and how it gets separated through the CP system with optical sorter and other automation functions. Okay, this is the first part of the MRF. We have the Infeed Conveyor. It's a slow-moving conveyor that controls the flow through the entire system. In MRF terms, we call it the gas pedal. The faster you run it, the more material goes through the system. After the Infeed Conveyor, we come to the two C2 and C3 conveyors, which goes to the pre-sort station where they pull out all the contaminants, the large contaminants, the bulk rigid plastics, and other metals that's not supposed to be in the single stream. Plastic bags, toys, egg cartons, and other contaminants that are non-conformant to single stream material. After the pre-sort, we have the OCC screen. The OCC screen separates the large cardboard boxes from the rest of the single stream material and goes over the tops, and the unders, the smaller material, goes down to the glass breaker. This is the quality control station. After the OCC, we have to pick out the large items, some newspapers, plastic connected to cardboard, and other styrofoam products, so the cardboard stays clean. The unders from the glass breaker come up and get dumped on the CP screen. This is oblong discs, rubber discs, rotating, bumping the three-dimensional material down to the bottom while the paper goes over the top. Here we have the overs of the CP rotating disc screen. The overs are still contaminated and still requires manual sorting of aluminum cans, PET bottles, plastic bags, and other contaminants that are in the single stream that get past the pre-sort. These are the unders of the CP screen. You have plastic bottles, aluminum cans, tin cans, some paper products, and 3 through 7s. They go up over to an optical sorter, and then they come around down to the magnet after the optical sorter. Here is our optical sorter. This is an 80-inch MSS unit that has a 98% pick rate. It picks out all the PET regardless of color and helps us recover 5 to 6% PET from these articles. Okay, this is our container line. After the optical sorter and the magnet comes manual labor to pick the natural HDPE, the color HDPE. Then we have a QC for PET bottles that are full of water, and also 3 through 7s, and then the paper that gets across the screens. Here we have the eddy current that throws the aluminum cans by a pair of rotating magnets, and it throws all the aluminum over the divider that has to be quality controlled on the other side for cat food cans and other aluminum that is not allowed in the aluminum can bales. Here we have the quality control station for the aluminum. He picks out all the garbage, all the cat food cans, and all the other aluminum that we see here in the bins. Parts, aluminum trays, and here we come to the end of the line. And this is the baler, the heartbeat of the MRF system that bales all the material that comes out, that gets sorted out at the silos, connected to the silos. The cardboard and other materials go through this one baler. Okay, and this is the end product of all MRFs. We have our colored HD right there. We have our natural, and next to the natural, which you can't see, is aluminum cans. We have our cardboard. We have our mixed paper. We have our PET, our 3 through 7s, and the steel cans. All get baled up, they all get stored here, waiting for shipments.